Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I am Serena. So today now you can see that I'm doing a 5 a.m. morning routine. So good morning to everyone out there. This is a 5 a.m. morning routine. It's super. I'm procrastinating here too much. So let's get into the video. So now, as you can see, I've woken up, somehow got out of bed, and my mom is sleeping on the other side. And look at me, I'm just lazing. But yes, I woke up at 5 a.m. and I'm trying to make my bed even after being so lazy. I have woken up because I have to make some donuts, and for church it's Harvest Sunday, so I had to wake up early to make the donuts. So it's 5 o'clock. Oh my god, killing. But look at my face. Oh, look at me. Oh my god. What's wrong with Okay, so now I'm getting ready to pretty much head towards the kitchen. And since it's super duper cold, you can see I'm like freezing. So I have to wear my jacket. It's like a normal sweater or something. And yeah, I'm going to tie my hair and head towards the kitchen to fill water, because throughout the night, since your body gets very dry, so you need to hydrate yourself. So yep. Okay, now I've come to the kitchen to fill water for myself, and yeah. So cold. Okay, now I'm waiting for the AquaGuard to switch on because it takes time. Yeah, look at me. I really don't know what to do because it's so cold. What do I do? I'm thinking about how to start making the donuts, and okay. I'm trying to think how to start to make the donuts. It's a huge thinking process more than doing process. So pretty much that's on my mind. Okay, I love the sound of water. Now I'm just scrolling down my other phone to actually, it's good to wake up with God, and I'm going to just listen to the morning scriptures. And yeah, I'm just going to listen to what God has to say on that certain day. Sometimes I just like to start the day with a lot of calmness and soothing. Uh, so today is, I'm just listening to the morning scriptures. Um, this is very rare though, but sometimes I do like to hear what the scriptures have to say. So okay, now I'm just going to drink the water and listen to the scriptures. Hydrate yourself, guys. Do not forget to hydrate yourself. And yeah, I'm just listening to the scriptures while I drink water, so that also at the same time I can think of how to start my day and how to make the donuts. Now I'm just going to go brush my teeth, wash my face, and get freshened. Well, do not mind the scenery because it's really ugly, I know. But I'm just going to brush, have a wash, and yeah, just get ready. I like to look into my mirror every time I cross a mirror. I have to look at it because then I don't know how I'll be looking, whether I'm having a pimple or I have to pop one. No clue. Brush my teeth, and I will talk to you in a while. Bye. Okay, now I'm opening the fridge. I don't have any skincare as such, but I opened the fridge to look for my aloe vera gel ice cube because this is what I put on my face. So this is an aloe vera gel ice cube that I'll be putting on my face. No skincare routine I have. I'm just going to put some lip balm and this aloe vera gel ice cube on my face, and that's it. No skincare, just this. And I've freshened up. I hope I'm looking good. Okay, now this is a Hershey's Cocoa. This is a whisker, milk. I'm going to mix all of them up for the donut icing. And these are the donut cutters. I know they are just the caps of some other bottles. And this is the donut dough. It's risen overnight because it has yeast, so it is spongy and nice. This is the utensil where I'll be making the donuts. And white oil. Always make your donuts in white oil, in low flame, not in high. Again, hydration number 2. Now I'm just getting ready to make to just roll out the donut dough, and this is maida. Now I'm just putting some maida on the roller. I don't know what it's called in English. To just smoothen the surface so that I can roll out the dough easily. And I've put some maida on this is actually all-purpose flour. I've also put it on the dough so that the dough is not sticking to the bowl or anything. Now I'm rolling out the dough. Always remember to keep your dough a little thick because you want your donut to be nice and fluffy and nice and fat. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just rolling it out on a thick basis. And then now I'll be just cutting out the shapes and pressing it into it. Okay, I've got my shape. Now I've got the shape, so in the middle of the donut there has to be a hole. So that's the shape. Yay! Now I'm just taking the cutter. This is actually a lime bottle cap, and that the big one was the peanut butter bottle cap. I don't have the correct shape cutter, so that's my shape. That's it. Those are my donuts that I've cut out. Now I'm going to whisk the Hershey Cocoa, peanut butter and milk. That's it. My consistency is made. It's only 6 in the morning and look, it's still dark. And look at the oil, it's nice and hot. It's only 6 in the morning, guys. That's my donut. I'm frying it on low flame. You do not want to burn it, so do not put it on high flame. Those are my donuts ready. Now I'm just going to dip it in the mix. And those are the sprinklers, the decorations for the donuts. Those are my donuts, guys. Oh my god. Made a mess. Sorry. Okay, guys, I can finally talk a bit because it's 6:45 in the morning and everyone's woken up. I know you can see a little donut there. I'll show you. So my donuts are ready. I've made 5 donuts. I hope the people who eat it enjoy it. But now I can talk a bit because it's 7:45 and people in my house were sleeping at that time, so I wasn't too okay with talking. So I said that now I can pretty much talk. So they've all woken up, and now I think I will work out a little bit. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Usually I don't wake up this early. I wake up, if there is exams, I have to wake up by 8 because 8:30 is my paper. Like I start writing at 8:30. um so like I wake up at 8. But I saw this video trending a lot on YouTube, like the international YouTubers are doing this a lot. So I was like, oh, I can try. Maybe they have DSLR cameras. Now come on, I don't have one. I'm just trying to put one into one and do it. So now I'm just figuring out how to pack these donuts, because it's still little moist. It has to be dried fully, then I can like wrap it up in this white paper plastic foil and then put it away. But I'm just trying to figure out where will I put it. That's a kind of a thing. But today is Harvest Sunday, as I told you, in our church. The video is going really quiet, right? But it's soothing, in the morning you wake up and you do these videos a little. But I will do a night video also, nighttime routine video. Once I did a full day in my life, but I didn't put like pieces of it. I like put the whole thing to it. But now I've decided I'll put like 5, like morning routine, night routine. So today is the morning routine. Maybe probably next time I'll do a night routine if I have one proper night routine. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Now though, I'm going to work out. It's 7 o'clock, going to be 15 minutes to 7. I'll go and work out a little bit. Maybe a little yoga or jog or run or something. Some physical activity I'll do, because I've woken up for the first time so early in the morning. You can see my face is still swollen up, but I'm pretty much enjoying my morning. I'll go and work out and I will see you in a bit. Okay guys, I have just come down to work out. So I have my skipping rope. I've decided today I won't do a heavy, because I don't know if you can see, it's super cold. Look at the weather, it's very cold. So I'm just going to do about 20 minutes of skipping, and then you can see my thermos bottle right there. I don't know if you can see that little thing over there. So I'm just going to do 20 minutes skipping. I'm going to show you also. So get ready and let's do it together. Bring your skipping rope and let's do it together. I'm going to show it to you fast forward, but I'm going to do it about 20 minutes, 15 minutes, because we have no time today at all. I have to go up and have a bath also. So yeah. It's super duper cold. In this cold, I don't think I can do. Look at my nose. My hands are stiff. The skipping rope is getting stuck on in my legs. Just look. Can't move. It's so cold in this weather. I don't think anyone can do workout. Super cold. But I'm still going to push myself and do it. Let's go. Okay guys. Finished. I in fact ran 10 rounds. Before I could not even run. Like when I was way too fat, I could not run even 5 rounds. Now I can run like 10, which is weird. And I did 500 skipping, so that kind of helps. I've drunk water. Now, what's the time? It's already 7:30. I've done about 20 minutes hardcore cardio. Now cardio is very tough, okay guys? Do not do cardio every day. Sometimes do flexibility training, sometimes cardio. So that's what I do. Now I'm going to go up and have a bath. I'm not sweating that much because it's so cold. It's like my sweat is going and freezing. No, it's not that cold, but it is cold. Now I'm going to go up. What's wrong? I'm going to go up and have a bath. So bye. Hey guys, I've had a bath. I've got ready. It's very cold and I'm feeling very sleepy. It's because I never wake up so early. But look at my eye. it's red underneath. But some days you have to wake up early for whatever reasons. But yeah, I've gotten ready. Now I have to just pack the donuts up and tie my hair and take my mask, wear my shoes and socks, and that's it. I'm ready for church. This was now, what's the time? It's 8:10. I will not eat breakfast. I'll come back from church and then eat breakfast. But this was pretty much my 5 a.m. morning routine. Sometimes rare 5 a.m. morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll finish the video here. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe to Team Sleepyhead, and I will see you in the next video. Until we meet. Toodles.